this video, I'm going to show you how to fix low volume problems on the Nokia 5. Problem with low volume. The first thing you could try would be to try and increase your volume using the volume keys. If this doesn't fix your problem or doesn't fix this specific volume issue, try going into settings by pressing on the settings icon here. Or you can get to the same menu by going to settings, sound, and in here you can increase the volume as needed. If it, however, still doesn't fix your issue and it's still quiet, you can try turning off Do Not Disturb mode, or possibly finding some other setting like silent mode, but I don't think this phone has that. If it doesn't fix your issue, you can simply check if your speakers aren't maybe clogged. They are right here on the bottom of your phone. If they are clogged, you could use some soft tools to try and scoop it out, or use a soft brush to clean it up. Just make sure you don't push anything in to damage the speakers. If this doesn't fix your issue or the speakers weren't clogged, you could try booting into safe mode to maybe check if it's some app that's causing the problem. To get into safe mode, simply press and hold the power button until this menu pops up, and then tap and hold on it, and this prompt will pop up. You can click OK to reboot into safe mode, which will restart your phone. Once the phone turns back on, you use your pattern to unlock, or PIN or password, depending on what you had set. And once you do that, you can simply wait a bit until it finishes turning on. Once your phone turns back on, you will see that you are in safe mode by this here text. But in here, just try checking out if your speaker works. Try going into sound settings again to maybe get your sound settings up. Check if it makes the sounds that you want it to do. If it still doesn't work, it might be a problem with something else. You could try going into settings, going down to System, Advanced, System Update, to check if your system is up to date. You could try turning off Bluetooth to check if maybe your sounds are being rerouted to some Bluetooth device. Or overall, to turn off safe mode, of course, you can just restart your phone. But in the end, if none of this helps the problem of low volume on your phone, you might have to give your phone to a service center so they can take a look at the speakers themselves. If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.